Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So, today we will discuss some more cell organelles. So, our first cell organelle for today is Golgi body. There are some sac-like structure, some vesicles, tubular structure. So, it contains vacuole and vesicles. So, in the diagram you can see the round structures, these are vacuoles, and this sac-like or tubular structure, these are known as vesicle. So, the main function of Golgi body is secretory in nature. So, it helps in the secretion of enzyme, protein, cellulose, and it also helps in the secretion of lysosome. Lysosome is another cell organelle, and some part of lysosome is formed from this Golgi body. Okay, so next is lysosome. So it is a sac-like structure and it is surrounded by one membrane. So some enzymes, some special enzymes are present in the lysosome, and that enzyme is called digestive enzymes. So with the help of digestive enzyme, when any foreign particles, means bacteria, virus or any other microorganism, if they attack the cell, then lysosome secrete this digestive enzyme and it destroys the cell. That's why lysosome is known as suicidal bag. As you can see, this is the diagram of lysosome. Next is centrosome. So centrosome is found only in animal cell. It is absent in plant cell. So it is made up of two centrioles, and centrioles form the microtubule rings. Centrosome helps in formation of microtubules and it helps in cell division. So during cell division, the microtubules are attached with the chromosome. So you can see this is the structure of the centrosome, and inside this star-like structure, and inside there are two centrioles, that rod-shaped structure, that is the centriole. So the function of centrosome is that formation of microtubule and helps in cell division. Next is vacuole. Vacuole is present in plant cell, but it is also present in animal cell in small amount. So vacuoles are membrane bound sac. It is also a sac-like structure and it is present within the cytoplasm. So what is the function of this vacuole? It is in plant cell, the vacuole is very large and it provides the structural support, and it acts as a storage organ, means it stores the fat and protein and all. So as you can see in the middle, this white portion or this portion is the vacuole, and it is mainly present in the plant cell, and it is also the diagram of the plant cell. Next is, what is the difference between animal and plant cell? So first you see these two diagram. There are two, this one is, the green one is plant cell and this yellow one is animal cell. So the plant cell has a fixed geometrical structure, or it is rectangular in shape, but the animal cells, it is irregular in shape or almost round in shape. So in plant cell, cell wall is present. In animal cell, cell wall is absent. In animal cell, nucleus is present almost in the center, but in plant cell, nucleus lies at the site of the cell. In plant cell, mitochondria present in fewer in number, but in animal cell, mitochondria present in large numbers. Plastid absent in animal cell, but it is present in plant cell. And in plant cell, the large central vacuole is present, means the vacuole is present at the center, but in animal cell there are many small vacuoles. Many small vacuoles are present.